Greetings, all Shardvixen. Okay, we're gonna try the alcohol ink. This is the brand I bought. I'm not endorsing it. I'm just telling you what brand I got. Reese, I guess is the name of it. You're supposed to be able to drop that just directly into the water. We'll see. We will see. See, won't we? If not, it's no problem. I'll look it up again and then I'll do another video. But that's what it said. Alright, so we're going to do that. You see it? Okay. There we go. Ooh. I guess you only need like 1 drop. That was a lot. I did put a lot of water. I only put 2 cups of water in here because I've never done it with the alcohol. Wow, this alcohol wants to explode all over. This lid shit is crap. Okay. Let's do blue. Yes, it comes out really fast. So, might not be. It does mix. I'm getting a purple in there. You can't really see it, but there's a purple in there. Now we'll do the yellow. Woo, there's a yellow. Alright. I'm going to get my thing out. We'll do some papers and see what we think. I didn't even do guys on this one. We'll see. Alright. So it doesn't really, I don't see like a real spin here going on. I mean, I guess kind of. I see more of a mix. Let's see. We're gonna. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, look at that. That turned out okay. This part right here is from a different paint that was on there. So that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. That would work, I guess. It's not really a marblization though. It's more of a spotted whatever. And it really, some of it mixes really quickly. Let's try a different paper. I got a bigger paper here. Okay, so when it lays down, it just lays flat on it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But it is going to be those bright pink and blue colors. So I'm not sure, you know, that's something we all would be interested in all the time. It's probably okay for a little bit of the time. And pink right now is the prominent color on there. So what happens if I add another, let's add some blue. See if that turns more purple. I think I'm going to get purple now. It goes pop, pop, pop inside there. It's kind of funny. I don't like these lids. They're really hard to get on there straight. Right. Let's try some different paper. Okay, so this paper has been painted on before. Let's see what happens if I put it on there. Oh, that turned out nice. That looks kind of cool. Those are my phones. My phone's always going, just so you know. Even when it shouldn't. Ah, I gotta find some new places to put this. Let's hang it up. Oh, I'll hang this one up. I won't hang that one up. If I hang this one up, it might stick to the wall. They do that, you know. They can stick to the wall and then you can't get them off of the wall. Because I don't have a drying rack yet. It's my next investment after the holidays is a thing. Alright, so I'm not, you know, you use a lot of alcohol on that. Because that's 1 drop. 2, and this is not really a yellow, it's an orange. Couldn't find a yellow. So, I don't know. Let's see, I wanted to do this one. Let's do this one. Okay, so I had done the almond milk on this and it didn't work. Let's see if it works on this. a little better. It's going to give me a pastel splash. Yeah. Not really sitting on the tape. I was trying to figure out ways to color my tape up, but it's not really sitting on the tape well, so we'll keep trying with that. Let's see. Where did they, do you have any more gauze? Oh, here's a nice white paper. It's a heavy white paper. I got paper going everywhere. I got paper everywhere. Let's see. That's a heavy paper, right? I wanted to see if I had any more gauze. You want to do a transparency. Facing paper. Oh, I do have more gauze. Here we go. Alright, so let's try a gauze. It's got shit on it. See what happens when I do that. Any sounds you hear in the background? It's my neighbors. Okay, so no, the gauze didn't pick it up. I mean, it picked up the tint, but it didn't pick up the different colors. It just picked up the pink again. You need to take garbage out.
I'm gonna go take a shower first, real quick.
No, take garbage out first, please. Thank you. So I'm recording. I need a garbage out. Okay, let's cut this. Had a mess here, so I got stuff moved around. Oh, those aren't supposed to be out here. Why are these out here? Like paper dolls. That aren't supposed to be there. I don't know why they're there. So, I'm gonna put paper doll. I'm gonna do a paper doll journal at some point in time. That's the plan anyway. I'm not sure why the paper dolls are out here though. That's all. Let's do that one. No, see now we're losing the marblization part of it. All we have is spots. Okay, I guess. Spots are okay. Alright, so now it's just pink. So I've lost anything I could make a definition on with it. So alcohol inks are kind of pricey, so I don't know if I would do that. Maybe if I made some homemade ones, I'll try that with the... Hold on. So alcohol inks are really kind of pricey, but I'm going to make some homemade ones. Al John shows you how. And so I'll try that rather than these again because I'm really not thinking I like... The effect is pretty, but it doesn't last very long and it doesn't mix well. But you can marblize, so if you did it in one wax, you'd probably be okay. Alright, catch you all on the flip side.